Just because TDS is deducted on something does not mean you don't need to file an income tax return, right? So there are two parts to taxes. One is payment of taxes, and the second part is reporting of your income. So income tax return essentially perform the second part, which is reporting of your income sources to income tax department. So even when you are salaried, your employer is deducting TDS. That doesn't mean you don't need to file taxes. In fact, you need to file taxes to reclaim those TDS credits as refund. People who are most in control are most financially frugal, right? So people who don't delegate things. I have a chartered accountant who does that. I throw documents at him. It's a black box. I don't know what happens. Somehow I get a refund, right? That's not a great approach to kind of financial independence. You should know what gets reported and how your taxes are calculated. So that financial education and awareness is, I think, very important to financial frugality and wealth generation. When you are aware and educated, you know that when you file your return, it's very important to claim your tax credits, right? This is money that has already been paid for by you or by somebody else on your behalf. Last year, there were in excess of 40,000 crore in unclaimed TDS credits with Government of India. That's why I put so much emphasis on something like Form 26A. Always make sure that you tally your tax credits before you file your income tax return. If you have been doing sound financial planning, if you have SIP set up, if you are taking full advantage of Chapter 6A deduction, then you should stay on old regime, right? Because that's where you will get the most tax savings. If you haven't been doing some of those things and you want to take control of your investing pattern, right? If you're young and you want to invest in more aggressive asset classes, then I think new regime works for you better.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.